In this video, I am going to show you how daily squats can transform your overall body aesthetics. Here are 8 reasons why incorporating squats into your daily routine can be beneficial. So make sure you watch the entire video. 1. Muscle strengthening and growth. Squats are a powerhouse exercise that targets multiple muscle groups simultaneously, providing a comprehensive workout for your lower body and core. By engaging muscles such as the glutes, quadriceps, hamstrings, adductors, and more, squats effectively strengthen and tone various areas of your body. 2. Increased flexibility. Engaging in regular squatting exercises can significantly improve your flexibility, especially in the hips and ankles. By consistently performing squats, you can enhance the range of motion in these crucial areas, leading to better overall mobility. Improved flexibility in the hips and ankles not only benefits your squatting form, but also promotes better movement patterns in various daily activities and workouts. 3. Enhanced core stability. When you perform squats, you're not just developing your lower body strength, but also engaging your core muscles, including the abdomen and lower back. This engagement is crucial for enhancing your core stability and strength. Imagine your core as the powerhouse that supports your entire body during movements, from lifting groceries to maintaining your posture at your desk. Therefore, the next time you squat, keep in mind that you're not merely strengthening your legs, you're also constructing a strong core foundation that will support every step you take. 4. Better posture. Squats are not just about building stronger legs. They also play a significant role in improving your posture. When executed with proper technique, squats engage a variety of muscles, including the lower back muscles. By strengthening these muscles through squats, you can effectively support your spine and promote better alignment of your entire body. This enhanced posture can have a positive impact on your overall well-being, reducing the risk of back pain and enhancing your confidence and presence in various activities. 5. Improved blood circulation. When you perform squats, especially with proper form and technique, you engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously, including those in your lower body. This engagement requires increased blood flow to deliver oxygen and nutrients to the working muscles while removing waste products. As a result, squats can help enhance blood circulation throughout your body, including to your heart and lower extremities. Better blood circulation offers benefits such as improving cardiovascular health, lowering blood clot risks, and aiding oxygen and nutrient delivery to tissues more efficiently. 6. Strengthening the cardiovascular system. Squats are not just beneficial for building strong muscles, they can also play a role in strengthening your cardiovascular system. When you perform squats, your body is working hard to support the movement, which can elevate your heart rate and increase blood flow throughout your body. This increased demand on your cardiovascular system can help improve the tone and efficiency of your heart muscle over time. As you continue to challenge yourself with squats and engage in regular cardiovascular exercise, you can enhance your heart's ability to pump blood effectively, improve circulation, and support overall cardiovascular health. 7. Joint health. When executed with proper form and technique, squats can be an excellent exercise for promoting joint health. Squats engage multiple joints in the body, including the hips, knees, and ankles, which can help improve their flexibility, stability, and overall function. When you move through the full range of motion during a squat, you are gently working these joints, promoting better mobility and reducing the risk of stiffness or discomfort. By incorporating squats into your fitness routine and paying attention to your form, you can support your joints' health and longevity. 8. Increased testosterone. When you perform squats, especially with heavier weights or resistance, you're engaging large muscle groups such as the quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes. These compound movements require a significant amount of energy and effort, leading to the release of anabolic hormones like testosterone, which play a crucial role in muscle growth and overall strength development. Incorporating squats into your workout routine not only challenges your muscles, but also potentially boosts your testosterone levels naturally. If you found this information helpful and want more tips on fitness and health, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. Ring the notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. Let's keep working towards our goals together.